Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate. I am the Service and Inventory Manager of the Northeast region with Donna Star Enterprises. And today we will go over a video on how to check the bulk tank.
Okay, so I'm outside now right at the bulk tank. I just want to show you all that what you can find if you just go check. You know, they have a CO2 issue, so I didn't have any pressure at the gauge on the inside, so you can see right here that it's down, it's way below, it's below 40 psi, so they have an empty bulk tank, but they do have the spare tanks in the back room, so I'm going to connect that spare tank that's back there, and then that way that'll get the CO2 operational for now, and then I will let them know that they need to order place an order for the tank to get filled for the bulk tank, and then they can hit the switch over valve inside the back room and switch it back over to this bulk tank here. But for now, what we're going to do is get the unit up and running with the spare tanks, and then we'll go from there.
We thank you all for watching. Please reach out to us at www.donnastar.com or 833-366-2782 to find out more about our water filtration systems and also for tech support.